This system includes 32-bit float internal recording, can be used with cameras, phones, and computers. It has an automatic backup system, which is a feature I've never seen in any wireless microphone system before. It has a metal locking TRS microphone connection, and the form factor is what they are calling the wireless audio multi-tool. This is a feature set that I've never seen available in any wireless microphone system before, and it's also a mid-priced microphone system. There will be links in the description down below to the best pricing I could find on the microphone. It comes in 2 different kits, and all those details will be in the links below. Now, this video is sponsored by Sennheiser, so I'm not here to tell you that this is the perfect microphone system because I don't think there is a perfect microphone system, but I do want to put it in front of you, show you the feature set, and give you the sound samples so you can make up your own mind if this is the right microphone for you. The first thing I want to look at is the wireless audio multi-tool aspect of this thing, because it's one of the coolest features of this whole kit. To start with, what you're looking at here, they're calling the charging bar. This holds most of the equipment and has some additional functionality. It also charges everything. So I'm going to take this wind muff off. We'll show you how that works a little bit later. The transmitter is just in here, and you've got a little button that you push, and that ejects the transmitters. Something I have never seen from a system before. And then to get the receiver out, you've got a button down here and you push that and that brings your receiver out. Now, in addition to that, the transmitters can be used with magnets to hold them on your shirt like you see in most microphone systems now. And the magnets are just right here. They just come right off the side of the case. And then for your USB-C and your lightning port plugs, you've got those in here. You also have your cold shoe adapter so you can put the transmitter on top of the camera. The only thing that is not included in this charging bar is the 2 little wind muffs for the transmitters, as well as the TRS cable, and that allows you to hook it up to a camera, and the USB-C charging cable. Those are all going to sit inside this little carrying case. And the carrying case holds all those things in the top of it, and then the charging bar and all the components just goes in the case like that. Now, all this is really neat, but it wouldn't matter if it didn't give you extra real-world functionality. To start with, you can use the system just like most other systems out there, where you hold it on your shirt with a magnet, or you put it on your lapel, and you can use 1 or you can use 2 on 2 different subjects. The other thing is you can use them with a locking TRS mic because they have the little thread at the top of them. It doesn't have to be a threaded mic. It can be a non-threaded or threaded mic, but since you have a metal thread there, that means that you can hook up a high quality lavalier microphone. You can thread it down and lock it on, and you don't have the risk of it falling off. The other thing you can do with it is you can put the microphones back in the case, just like this, click them in, put the wind muff on, and now we have a handheld interview mic. Or you can take one of the microphones out, have that on your shirt, and have the other one as an interview mic. So you've got this here and you've got the other one where you're holding out in front of people. Beyond that, you can put one or both of the microphones back in the case, put the wind muff on, and you've got a 1/4-inch thread at the bottom, and that can be set up as a desktop mic or recorder. You don't even have to have the receiver going into anything. We can put that back in the case. I'm gonna eject one of these mics. I'm gonna hit the red button here. That has now enabled 32-bit float recording. I've done that, put the wind muff on, I've set it on the table. Now I've got a 32-bit float recorder just sitting on the desk. I can also bring the other one out, start that one up, and put that at a different point in the room. So you can use this as a 32-bit recorder or 2 32-bit recorders as well. The other thing is, not only does the charging bar have a 1/4-inch thread on it that you can put on a tripod or put on anything that has a 1/4-inch thread, both of the wireless microphones have that as well. So you can mount them anywhere there's a 1/4-inch thread. That can be a boom or on a desktop or on a tripod. And absolutely one of my favorite parts of the system is using the charging bar as a handheld microphone. Because the closer you get any microphone to your sound source or your mouth, the better it's going to sound. And I hold little microphones in shot when I need to get the best audio quality. Maybe it's in noisy environments, or there's a lot of rustling or wind in the trees. This is going to get you the best audio quality. But what I've found is holding the microphone like this, one of these small microphones, seems to annoy a certain class of people out there, and they think you're trying to be some sort of TikToker or influencer. But since I've been using the charging bar and talking into it, I haven't got a single complaint. Now, I know that's their issue, not mine, but it just makes my life a little bit easier to not have to deal with all those silly comments. In addition to that, the system has a number of features that make it potentially one of the most reliable, bulletproof wireless microphone systems on the market. And the biggest one is the automatic backup recording. Now, this is different than manual backup recording on every other microphone system I've tested. Essentially, this one works out if you've lost connection or you've got interference, it automatically turns it on. And with other microphone systems, the problem with having a manual one is that it's either on or off, and when it's on, it's recording the whole time. So you end up potentially recording a whole day, or you're turning it on and off for takes where you might forget to turn it on or turn it off. And my personal experience is I either end up with hours and hours of audio where I got to go find that one clip that I really need, or when I need the clip, we accidentally didn't turn it back on. This system eliminates that issue by sensing whether you need the backup and automatically triggering it. The other thing is their 32-bit flow internal recording, which means it doesn't matter how loud the audio goes or how quiet it goes, I'm going to be able to use that in editing and bring it up to a reasonable level that we can use. Each of the transmitters have 16 gigabytes of internal recording, so that is going to get you multiple days of recording. And if that isn't enough, they also have the ability to use a safety track into your camera, so you can feed into your camera two different levels, a right channel and a left channel, and you can have the one channel being about 6 decibels higher than the other channel. So even if you peak your audio in the camera, you can come back and use the second channel in the camera. And you add all that to the fact that you have a threaded TRS connection, which means that the cable won't come out. And I think it gives you potentially the most reliable or bulletproof 2.4 gigahertz system on the market right now. Now, none of these features would matter if the microphone system didn't sound great, and spoiler alert, it does. But here's some audio samples so you can make up your own mind. Right now you're listening to the Sennheiser Profile wireless microphone. I'm just using the inbuilt microphone in the transmitter, and this is how it sounds. Listen to the sound of my voice. How are the details? How are the highs? How are the lows? This is the Sennheiser Profile wireless microphone with the transmitter just clipped about halfway down my shirt. Right now you're listening to the Sennheiser Profile wireless microphone with a lapel mic. This is gonna make your audio a little bit more discreet. It's also gonna upgrade the quality of your audio by buying a high-end lapel mic. And this is one of Sennheiser's better lapel mics. So listen to the sound of my voice, listen to the highs, listen to the lows, and how does this sound compared to the included transmitter microphone? Right now you're listening to the Sennheiser Profile wireless microphone, and I've just got it attached to my shirt with the included magnet. In a studio environment, this is how it's going to sound. Right now you're listening to the Sennheiser Profile wireless microphone in a studio environment. Right now you're listening to the Sennheiser Profile wireless microphone in the charging bar and used as a handheld mic. Anytime you can get the microphone closer to your sound source, you're going to get a better sound. Right now you're listening to the Sennheiser Profile wireless microphone in the charging bar. Right now you're listening to the Sennheiser Profile wireless microphone with the 32-bit internal recording. And how does this sound compared to the recording in the camera? This just gives us a second option. It also gives us a backup track if we get a break in transmission. Right now you're listening to the Sennheiser Profile wireless microphone, and I've got the microphone in the charging bar and I'm using it as a handheld mic. This is one of my favorite features of this microphone system. Anytime that you can get a microphone closer to your sound source, you are going to get better quality audio. And it's one of the reasons I prefer to hold microphones in my shot or have in-shot microphones in my videos. Right now you're listening to the Sennheiser Profile wireless microphone in the charging bar. So it sounds great, it's super reliable, it's reasonably priced, but it's also super easy to use, which is a big deal for me. And one of my favorite things about this system is you don't need an app. You don't need to register for an account. It's all in the system itself. And the menus are all navigated via the receiver. And it's super simple. You swipe one way and that gives you access to the menus that control one of the transmitters. You swipe the other way and that gives you the menus or the functions of the other transmitter. And then you swipe up and that gives you the menu system for the receiver itself. And once you know those swipe commands, it's super intuitive and you just go up and down and all the menus are there. You're not diving down and going a sub-menu, sub-menu, sub-menu. It's really straightforward. The other thing that's really cool about this is when you put it on a camera, it might be like this, but if you put it on a phone, it will be upside down. It has a gyro that auto senses this and changes the orientation of the display based on the orientation of the receiver. This is super, super cool, and just another thing that just makes the microphone so easy to use. It also has great battery life, which is in line with the best-in-class microphones. It's got a 7-hour transmitters and receivers, but you can actually operate the transmitters and the receivers while they're in the charging bar or use them as an interview mic. And in that case, you're gonna get 15 hours of battery life. And I think that's best in class because I don't think any of the other wireless microphone systems that are out there, you can actually use them while they're in the charging case. So it's a huge list of advantages that that this microphone system has over a lot of other microphone systems out there at a very similar price point. So what are the disadvantages? And there were really only two that I could come up with. First of all, it is a little bit bigger than some other microphone systems in its class. Now you get the extra functionality, but you do get a slightly bigger form factor. And if you see these two bags side by side with the competitive microphone system, you'll see it is slightly bigger. It's narrower, but it's a little bit taller. But overall, it is slightly bigger. The other thing is there's a couple microphone systems out there now that allow you to go straight into Sony's multi-shoe interface for Sony shooters, which eliminates the need for this sort of TRS cable. For some Sony shooters, they'll see that as an advantage. To me, neither of those are deal breakers given all the extra advantages you get out of the Sennheiser system, but it's just something to be aware of. The 32-bit float backup recording, audio multi-tool functionality, and Sennheiser sound quality make this quite an easy system to recommend. But beyond that, the form factor is something unique and totally different. It's just a new take on a wireless microphone system, and because of that, it's also a lot of fun to use.